All right, so now from the Hard Rock to the Wynn, a legal battle continues right here in Las Vegas related to an investigation by the Massachusetts gaming commissioners.
Our own Patrick Walker joins us live to explain why attorneys were back in court today. Patrick.
Well, Brian and Denise, ahead of Wynn Resorts opening that $2 billion hotel and casino in Boston, Massachusetts gaming regulators have been conducting their own investigation into how the company perhaps mishandled allegations into sexual misconduct by the company's namesake, Steve Wynn. The release of a Massachusetts Gaming Commission report is for now in the hands of a Las Vegas judge. Clark County District Court Judge Elizabeth Gonzalez had previously halted the release of that report amid a lawsuit filed by Steve Wynn against his former company and the lead investigator for the Massachusetts Gaming Commission.
All we're trying to do is round out the people that would potentially have access to Mr. Wynn's privileged material.
Wynn alleges that investigators may include information in that report that should be protected by attorney-client privilege.
What you see from mass gaming is, oh, this is a slippery slope. We're trying to invade the investigative process. We're trying to find out who they've interviewed. No, we haven't, Your Honor.
In his arguments, the Massachusetts Gaming Commission's attorney fired back, accusing Wynn of going on a fishing expedition.
We want the process to move quickly. We do not want to open the investigative files of a law enforcement agency to the curious eyes of the person whose behavior is the subject of the investigation.
The sexual misconduct investigation and report by gaming regulators comes as they consider Wynn Resorts for a gaming license to operate the casino portion of the Encore Boston Harbor, a $2 billion clone of one of the Wynn and Encore towers here in Las Vegas. It's set to open in 6 months.
We support the investigation, and the company is doing everything it can to cooperate in that investigation. And our desire, obviously, is to resolve these privilege issues as soon as possible so that it can proceed.
And Judge Gonzalez ruled today that she will hear arguments on January 4th to determine whether or not to continue blocking the release of that report. Back to you.